For a guy like me, there is no other way.
This is getting out of hand! Pete! What happened?
I ended up outside! Just keep going up and I'll meet you at the roof! That water tank's our only shot!
Where are you, Pete?
Get back here.
Stay inside!
Guess he's busy. It's gonna be a long day if we don't get that water tank. Keep it moving, Miles.
I just wanted a regular life.
You can still have one!
It's too late now.
Oh, man! Why couldn't Marco just make sandcastles instead? Ma, everything okay? Almost Pete.
I know. You're on every channel. I'm heading downtown to help coordinate resources and supplies. Is Genki covering for you at school?
He is. But I got this meeting with my counselor later, and the principal thinks that I'm...
Listen, I can talk to your principal, but New York needs you right now.
Coolest mom ever.
And please, be careful. Te quiero, mijo.
Like Ma said, can't let New York down.
You're only making it worse for yourself, Marco!
I don't care.
Wish I could just write about this for my essay. And get into any college I wanted. Or Spider-Man would. Right. Brainstorm later, Miles. Focus.
How's it going, Spider-Man?
Almost there.
The water tank's ours!
Actually, it's his now.
Hey, sorry, what'd I miss?
He's trying to eat me!
Let's give him a drink instead!
Did we do it?
Nope.
Pete! Break out the new toys!
The suit's last software patch wasn't stable, but here goes nothing!
The web wings? They're flying!
But we're not out of this yet! Marco's at Pier 4 Beach!
What happens if he gets all that sand?
Think he just did! Gonna need you ASAP, Miles!
Yeah, I see him all right. I'm right behind you.
Miles? Miles! What did I just get myself into? You got Innocent people are in danger!
We care about them, but not me. They wouldn't listen to Marco. They can't ignore Sandman.
Miles!
One and only. Any ideas?
Yeah. Class is back in session.
Class?
Marco's storm is generating a lot of electricity! What happens to the surface tension of sand if you turn up the voltage?
Both, you're right. Like when I shocked the minis.
A+. You absorb enough energy. I'll shoot it right at him.
You want me to get hit by lightning?
Can you handle it?
There's only one way to find out. Watch your back. Bro, how is that here you're gonna redirect a lightning bolt?
Like you said, gotta break out the toys.
Light work. Now or never, Spider-Man. Time to move.
Why won't you just give up?
Because we promised to protect this city. I have sand everywhere. Marco, it's gonna be okay.
I haven't been okay for a long time.
If you need help, all you have to do is ask.
You're the ones who are gonna need help when they come for you.